back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the GOAT Group. They have 144 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. Of course, the links to the Glassdoor page as well as the job page, if you want to put that application in, is always in the YouTube description box below this video. But the GOAT Group is hiring a disputes specialist. Now, this is a full-time job. This is remote within the United States only. But they are looking somebody to join their fraud and dispute team to be essential in maintaining the trust between their buyers and sellers. So you'll be tasked with everything from auditing purchasing to verifying credit card information. You'll be a part of this group that's dedicated to protecting the customers. So you'll be investigating and resolving disputed transactions by credit card and debit card holders and online payment systems. You'll gather and evaluate the data to resolve the dispute and determine the appropriate course of action. You'll review queued transactions and independently determine if the reviewed transactions are fraudulent or if they are legitimate. You'll resolve problems that require that in-depth investigation and research, and you'll resolve disputes with all payment processors. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They are looking for somebody who has 0 to 1 years of related experience with fraud prevention, fraud data analysis, investigations, or risk management. Somebody who has 0 to 1 years of experience reviewing orders, identifying fraud trends, or creating fraud rules. Of course, you have to have very strong skills with spreadsheets and Excel, the ability to think logically, great attention to detail, the ability to follow direction, and be highly organized. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, pay for this position is anywhere from $21.20 an hour all the way up to $26.49 an hour. Of course, they offer a standard benefit package as well that includes dental, medical, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.